Good morning. Welcome to the Kate Shepherd Elementary Newscast. Today is Tuesday, September 7th, 2021. Please stand to join me in the Pledge of Allegiance and a moment of silence. Salute, pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Remain standing for a moment of silence. Thank you. You may be seated. Today for breakfast, we may be having breakfast pizza, and for lunch, pork patty on a bun. Tomorrow's breakfast may be chicken biscuit, and for lunch, hamburger. A few announcements for today. Attendance. Please continue to post your attendance in Schoology. If you have students that still are not showing up in your Schoology attendance, we have a few students that we're still working on in Power School, so make sure you are documenting their attendance some other way so that we will have it when we need to account for them. Masks. Students and teachers are required to wear a mask at all times other than when you are eating, and a couple of other exceptions. Please help us by masking up. We are trying to keep everyone safe and sound. Wash those hands, do all the things we know to do to keep everyone safe. So keep those masks on as much as you can. Also, emergency weather procedures and drills. Teachers, please review your emergency procedures with your students. Make sure that your students know what to do in the event of any of the different kinds of drills and emergency situations that we have, so that they are prepared in case we have a drill sometime in the future. Late duty. Today's late duty is Miss Lee. Tomorrow will be Miss Hogan. Thursday is Miss Granger, and Friday is Miss Peralta. Important dates coming up. September 10th is our HMH growth measure deadline. September 17th is the iReady reading diagnostic deadline for K through 5. Fortunately, most of our teachers have gotten most of their students finished with that reading diagnostic. So way to go, teachers and students, for knocking that out and getting it out of the way. Also on September 17th, we have the iReady math diagnostic deadline, and that is only for our K through 3 students. On September 22nd, we have PST meetings. If you are having trouble with HMH or you have questions, please make sure that you see Ms. Spiegelberg about that. She can help you get your classes set up and try to help answer the questions you may have. Also, she sent out information about an Into Math PD session that will take place this afternoon. She sent out an email last week about that. You will need to register in the Power School PD portal, and the course number and section number are available to you here on the screen or in that email. So make sure you get signed up for that. She said she went to the one last Tuesday and it was very informative, had a lot of great information. So if someone on your grade level is available, considering we have this new math program, you probably will learn a lot from this. So that is this afternoon today, starting at 3:30. So go ahead and get signed up if you think you want to attend that. Speaking of math, our word of the day is column. A column is a vertical arrangement of numbers or information in an array or a table. So this illustration doesn't have a column of numbers. It has a column of cubes or blocks, and they're pushed right up next to each other, squares. Columns go up and down. So columns are the ones that go up and down. All three of those yellow boxes put together make one column going up and down, a vertical arrangement. Okay, so sometimes one way to work out an addition problem is sometimes we line up our numbers by their place value and we add the columns of numbers together. Okay, so we use columns of things all the time in math. So word of the day is column. That's all for today's news. Have a terrific Tuesday, Kate Shepherd.